Hi, second grade. It's Mr. Bouch. Happy April 14th. I don't know what time of the day you're looking at this, whether it's morning, noon, or night. But either way, I hope you're having a great day or have a great day. We're going to play a little game here. Most of you have probably seen ESTA Mysteries in your classroom before. I know my class has. I believe Mrs. Albright has. And I think Mrs. Goodhart probably has too. And if you haven't seen it, no problem. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is read and follow directions. So what you're going to do right now is guess how many objects are in that glass jar. All right, I'm taking a look here, and there's all kinds of ways you can count maybe the first row, guess what you have. You can count the front and see what you see. I have my own method. You try your own way, whatever works best. And by looking at it, I'm going to go with 37. That's my guess. All right, so let's take a look here. We're going to move through this, and we're going to get clues here. Now, each clue is going to help you to figure this out. Let me move the camera again up to the corner, out of the way of the clues. And here we go with clue number 1. So the answer is not a multiple of 7. So that means it's not 7, it's not 14, it's not 21, because if you add 7 plus 7, that's 14. If you add 7 plus 7 plus 7, that's 21. It doesn't mean the number can't have a 7 in the answer, so my 37 is still possible, because there's no number times 7 that gets you to 37. And if we take a look at the number grid here, it blocks out the numbers that you cannot use. So maybe your number is no longer possible. Well, let's pick a new number. Maybe pick one that's 1 away from what you picked, or maybe 1 below what you picked, or maybe you want to guess 10 more. It's up to you. You can't really make a wrong estimate, or I should say a bad estimate. Your estimate may be wrong, but that's okay. That's the whole point. All right. Clue 2, is it odd or even? So numbers like the one represented by the die on the left are possible. The numbers on the die on the right can be crossed out. So that means it's either going to be odd if it's a 5 or it's even if it's a 2. Well, it says that numbers on the left are possible. That's a 5. So we are going to look at all these numbers now. All the even numbers are taken off the board because 2 is an even number. Let's keep moving. The answer does not include the digit represented by the die on the left. So there's no 5 in the number. So we're going to take any number that has a 5. Oof, look at that. We lost a lot of numbers there, but that's good. We're narrowing it down. My 37 is still in play. Let's see if yours is too. On the chart, there are 3 numbers between 10 and 18 that are still left over. You're going to find the sum of those numbers, and you're going to eliminate those addends and the sum. Addends are the numbers that you're adding, and the sum is the answer of those 2 addends, or 3 addends, or 4 addends. So we're going to take out a few more numbers here, like 11, 13, and 17. There's still quite a few left. Let's get moving. Let's find the difference between the 2 numbers represented by the dice. That's 5 and 2. What's the difference between 5 and 2? 5 is here, 2 is here. What's in between? How many are in between? And that is a 3, of course. The number can't be a multiple of 3. So we're going to lose a lot more numbers. And again, you'll see, it doesn't mean that 3 can't be in the number. It means that it can't be a multiple of 3, like 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, on and on and on. All right, clue number 6. The answer does not include the digit 7 or the digit 9. Oh, that takes away my 37. So I have to think, well, I went with 37. 31 and 43 are on the outside edge of that. They're both 6 away, but I feel like there's a lot more numbers or a lot more items. I'm going to go with 43. Let's see if I'm right. Ready? If you want to change your answer right now, go ahead. I'll give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay. Hopefully you got it. Here's the answer. Are we ready? Let's come on. Let's go. 43. Let's see it. 43. Yes. That makes me very happy. Did you get the answer? But don't worry if you didn't. You might have been close, you might have been off, but that's the whole point. Just trying your best. And that's what you can do today with your math lesson. I hope you enjoy it when you're reading about and listening about shapes, 2-dimensional shapes, that is. And again, I hope you have a great day. This was great for you to be able to see me, and I hope I get to see you soon too. All right, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.